Hi everyone, my name is Demaya Page, and this project was done with my partner
Abuse Congo.
for CS 213 with Professor Tony Sina. We created a database system designed for a food delivery platform. Our main requirements were to manage customers, restaurants, orders, deliveries, and payments while using normalization up to 3NF, adding indexes for performance and applying keys and row-based access for security. Our system covers the whole flow of customers signing up, restaurants managing menus, people placing orders, drivers getting assigned, and payments being recorded. We chose this topic because apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats depend on strong databases. Originally, we focused just on restaurants, but we expanded it to include drivers, payments, and analytics as the project grew. In this project, we used normalization to organize data into a relational database, and the major goals were to eliminate redundancy, ensure data integrity, and simplify maintenance.
We're also able to come up with an entity relationship diagram where we're able to stipulate the different relationships between the different entities and their attributes. We're able to highlight the minimum and maximum cardinalities for all the relationships. And as we can see here, we can give you an example of the driver order relationship where we see the minimum cardinality being optional, meaning that a driver may or may not have an order at a given time, and the maximum cardinality being many, meaning many drivers can have many orders at a given time. We were also able to come up with a database for the project where we created a database, created different tables as you see them highlighted here. And these tables had different columns, and these in brackets right here are the data types for the different columns in the tables. We were also able to come up with queries for the data that we created. And in this sample query, we were looking for the most ordered item. We were able to look up for that item and group it in order, in descending order. And as we can see here, that item was tacos as the most ordered item. We're also able to create a query to find out which customer was ordering the most. And in this example, we can see that Alice Johnson was the one who was ordering the most. And lastly, we're also able to come up with the payment method that was used the most. And we grouped the payment methods according to in descending order. And as we can see here, card was the most used payment method and cash was the least used payment method. Thank you for listening and feel free to reach out if you have any questions about the project.